It's time for spring cleaning, cleaning out your educational resources for your organization, that is. Hi, I'm Patricia with Regier Educational Services. Now, perhaps your organization doesn't have an education or training plan. Maybe you don't know where to begin. That's okay, I'm here to help. Now, training makes the difference between a supported and equipped workforce. So get comfortable, grab a cup of tea or coffee, and let's begin. In 3 easy steps, you will have a great start. So number 1 is create an inventory. Perhaps you already have a training manual, but it might be a little bit dusty. Maybe it hasn't been looked at for a while, or some cobwebs, or that's your go-to, but you have it. So write it on the list. In this inventory, take note of all your resources, all your assets. You might already have some online resources or quick reference cards, checklists, maybe some in-house coaching, some peer-to-peer. A new employee gets shown the ropes by an experienced employee. Write down what you're currently accessing and doing. Webinars, training, workshops, seminars. One person gets trained to be the trainer. And if you have any sort of training budget, write it all down. So that's number 1 is inventory. Number 2, and definitely gather your team together. Grab some more cups of coffee and tea, but enjoy just coming together. Number 2 is write down learning needs and gaps. And be honest. It includes the areas that you're doing well, too. Don't forget those, that they must continue. But it can be everything from one person might not be as comfortable on the computer. Another person might feel that they need some more shadowing. Write down all of the learning needs and topics that pertain to your organization. Everything from customer or client service to supported leadership that know how to coach. Maybe you need some train the training resources. So number 1, inventory of what you have. Number 2, what are some of the needs or gaps? Number 3 is, what is your wish list? This is the opportunity to dream. Think about what would be fun for learning, what would be really helpful. It might include an increased training budget. This is where you dream and wish, even if you don't think it's possible. Get creative and have fun with this. You might love to take your whole staff employee team on a retreat for team building. Write it on the list. Maybe you want some quick, easy access webinars, online resources, or would love to collaborate with another organization for some learning days. So number 3 is where you dream big and write it on the list. And now you've done it. In 3 easy steps, you have a lot of information that can go towards any education or training plan. It can go towards your organization's strategic plan, your quality improvement plan. This is a fantastic start with 3 easy steps of inventory, learning needs or gaps, and your third wish list. So gather your team, put that all together, and you have your beginning. If you would like additional information, I'll put some links down below. You're welcome to contact me for a complimentary phone call. But I encourage you, and I think you can do this and put together that information. Now, I would love it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I really hope that you have a light bulb learning moment today. Again, I'm Patricia with Regier Educational Services. Thanks for watching.